In today's digital age, understanding your customers is more important than ever. But how do businesses get to know their customers better? The answer lies in creating detailed buyer personas. And thanks to advancements in AI, like ChatGPT, this process has never been easier. Traditionally, creating buyer personas involved a lot of manual work, surveys, interviews, and hours of research. While effective, this method can be time-consuming and sometimes biased. Books like Buyer Personas by Adele Revella have guided many through this process. But now, there's a faster way. Enter ChatGPT, an AI developed by OpenAI. It can analyze huge amounts of data, from customer reviews and social media interactions to transaction histories, and quickly generate detailed and accurate buyer personas. Here's how it works. First, ChatGPT aggregates data from multiple sources. Then, it uses natural language processing to understand and summarize this data. Finally, it generates detailed buyer personas that include demographics, buying behaviors, and more. For a deeper understanding of the transformative power of AI in marketing, books like AI for Marketing and Product Innovation by A.K. Pradeep, Andrew Appel, and Sthanunathan are essential reads. Let's look at a real-world example. An e-commerce platform wants to optimize its marketing. With ChatGPT, they quickly create personas like tech-savvy millennials, who prefer the latest gadgets and are active on social media. This helps tailor marketing campaigns to resonate with each segment. Personalization is key in today's marketing. ChatGPT allows marketers to create highly personalized content that speaks directly to the needs and interests of different personas, making every interaction more meaningful. One of the best features of ChatGPT is its ability to continuously learn and adapt. As new data comes in, it refines the buyer personas, ensuring they stay relevant and accurate, helping businesses stay ahead of market. From an investment perspective, using ChatGPT for creating buyer personas means better market segmentation and targeted marketing efforts, leading to higher conversion rates and improved customer retention. For data-driven investors, the ability to quantify these improvements is crucial. By tracking metrics like customer acquisition cost, lifetime value, and return on investment, investors can make informed decisions about where to allocate their capital. Moreover, companies leveraging ChatGPT for buyer persona creation are likely to see increased efficiency and reduced marketing overheads. These operational improvements can enhance profitability, making such companies attractive investment opportunities. Books like Data-Driven Marketing by Mark Jeffrey can provide further insights into how data-driven strategies can transform marketing efforts and drive better financial performance. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that is transforming the way marketers create and utilize buyer personas. For data-driven investors, this technology offers a means to gain deeper insights into customer behavior, optimize marketing strategies, and ultimately, drive better financial performance. As the AI landscape continues to evolve, staying abreast of these advancements will be key to maintaining a competitive edge in the market. By harnessing the capabilities of ChatGPT, investors and marketers alike can ensure they are not just keeping pace with the market, but leading the charge in data-driven decision-making. For further reading, Marketing 4.0 by Philip Kotler, Hermawan Kartajaya, and Iwan Setiawan provides a broader context on how digital transformation is reshaping marketing strategies across the board. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on how AI is changing the game in marketing and investing. See you next time.